welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another healthy recipe. So this time I've tried recreating tacos in my way. So I've used some desi jugars and also a few dips and my salsa from the previous video. So if you have not watched it, just I'm attaching the link in the description so that you can watch it. So yeah, so we'll make tacos from the scratch. So which means that I'll be starting with the taco shells. So for that I'll be using a basic paratha dough, which is very easily available in the kitchen. So from there to the filling part. So let's start with making the taco shells. So let's start with making my taco shells. So I have made a dough using flour, water, baking powder and some salt and a teaspoon of oil, and I'm making around 10 of these. So I'm using this roti maker to make it. So I'll just show the end product of it, which is this, and so I'll be making the rest of them and then get back to the rest of the video. So while making the taco shells, we need to keep in mind that we don't want the shells to inflate much, not like the rotis or the regular parathas that we make at home. So what we do is we'll be poking the taco shells with a fork so that the air cannot really it is easier for the air to pass through. So also I've chosen to make soft shell tacos because they are easier to handle, easier to eat, because you can roll them up before eating. You can also use the hard ones, which are usually called tostadas. So for the filling part, I'll be using marinated chicken. I'll be shallow frying it over this greased pan. So for the marinade of the chicken, I've used yogurt, cashew paste and all sorts of Indian spices like coriander, turmeric, red chili powder, salt and a little oil. So I'll braise the chicken and then get back to the next one. So once the chicken is placed in the hot sizzling pan, I'll be covering it and cooking it for around 5 to 10 minutes. Also, instead of stir frying my vegetables, I'll just be mixing this all up into a nice and yum salad. So I'll be using carrots, onion, tomatoes, cucumber. I've chopped all of these, and I'll be using honey mustard dressing from my previous video if you have watched it. So I have shared the recipe of this, and if you have not, just go and watch that. I'll be attaching the link in the description. Also a little amount of salt. You could be modifying this as per your choice of taste, and can add a little bit of lemon juice. So we'll just mix this up in a nice salad. So for the filling part, I have used braised chicken, salad and boiled eggs. You could use any sort of different filling, or you can also choose to cook the vegetables before putting them inside your taco shell. I have made a plain salad because that suits my palate. So here's the final set of ingredients. The chicken I had left to cook is already cooked and I've pulled that off. And here's the salad, nice and juicy salad as you can see with honey mustard dressing. The salsa, I had created a video on this in the last segment, so you could just check it out. I'll be attaching the link in the description. Also, I'll be using boiled eggs which I've roughly chopped. So I have not used any seasoning in this because there's a lot of salt and spices involved in the rest of it. And here are my tortilla shells. So I'll be making nice tacos. So let's do the assembly part. So once all our ingredients are ready, we'll move to the assembly part, which is I'll take my taco shell and fill it up with all the amazing stuff that I've cooked. So let's do that. So for the assembly part, I'll be taking one taco shell, using a bit of my salad, adding some of the chicken, enough for one shell, a little more because chicken is love, maybe for a lot of us. So a little more, and next I'll be adding, I'll grab another spoon. So next I'll be adding a few cubes of my roughly chopped eggs. Oops, everything just fell off. Maybe the taco is overloaded now. So, okay. And finally, some salsa to top it off.
So here's the yum taco, loaded with chicken, egg and salads. So I'll enjoy my dinner. So you try it at home and let me know in the comment section how did you like it.
Eating challenge. So today I've come up with tacos. So tacos are Mexican. So that's all for today's video. If you like my recipe, please give it a try at home and do let me know in the comment section how you like it. Also, keep sharing, keep eating, keep loving. Thank you.